Hey, before you even swing your leg over, picture this: you twist the throttle on the LEONX M2 Pro and everything changes. The ride doesn't just start, it connects with you, powerful and smooth, like it finally matches the pace you've been wanting instead of lagging behind. This is for the kind of person who feels when a machine holds you back. You've been on bikes that struggle up hills, sputter on rough terrain, or force you to guess whether you'll make it home on a single charge. You notice when performance is compromised, because you know what real power feels like. Before anything else, check the current price and stock. High torque, long-range e-bikes like this don't stay available at favorable pricing forever. You knew it was time to upgrade when your last ride wheezed up inclines, slowed on sand, or left you wishing you could go just a little farther without burning out. That frustration wasn't random, that was your instinct telling you that compromise is no longer acceptable. Once the M2 Pro becomes your daily ride, everything feels easier. You don't fear hills. You don't watch the battery meter anxiously. You don't second-guess whether you should turn back. You just ride, powerfully, confidently, and with a grin that doesn't fade. Picture real life with it. You're cruising neighborhood streets at speed, the wind at your back, the motor whisking you forward with authority. Later, you're on rougher paths, sand and gravel, fat tires rolling with surprising ease. You're commuting without sweating through your shirt. You're exploring farther than you ever thought practical. You're not just moving, you're liberated. That performance doesn't feel jerky or chaotic, it feels controlled and deliberate. It's the difference between making do and being in command. That confidence isn't cheap, it's earned every ride. And don't stall for price fluctuations or stock changes. Every time you consider a lesser bike, you'll circle right back here, because deep down you already know how it feels to settle for a ride that never quite served you. If you're wondering whether this kind of motor and battery really matter day to day, that doubt disappears the moment you actually roll off with smooth acceleration and hum along without effort. The 1800 watts motor doesn't just help you ride, it elevates the entire experience. Here's something most people don't expect until they live with it: your idea of distance shifts. Trips that felt long before suddenly feel reachable. You feel powerful with every twist. Hills don't slow you down. Long rides feel effortless. Control stays confident and steady. You're proud of how it handles. It's heavier than basic bikes. Top speed demands focus and awareness. At some point, the comparison loop stops. You realize you're not browsing specs, you're confirming what your instincts already told you: this is the ride you've been imagining. Weaker bikes just start to feel like steps backward once you've experienced what a true long-range, capable e-bike feels like. Don't let this be the upgrade you delay and later regret. Check the price and availability, decide with confidence, and step into a ride that finally keeps pace with how you want to move.